Hello and welcome. This is TV Platinum. Here are the top 5 stories as we have them for today. The Federal High Court in Abuja has found Senator Natasha Akpoti Uduaghan, representing Kogi Central Senatorial District, guilty of contempt of court over a satirical apology she posted on her Facebook page on April 27. Justice Bintan Yako delivered the ruling on Friday, addressing the contempt application filed by Senate President Godswill Akpabio before proceeding with the senator's substantive suit challenging her suspension from the Senate. Akpabio had argued that Akpoti Uduaghan's social media post violated an earlier court order which barred all parties from making public comments, whether through the press or on social media, concerning the ongoing legal proceedings. The senator's legal team defended the post, insisting it was unrelated to the suspension case and instead referred to a separate issue involving sexual harassment allegations linked to the third respondent, Akpabio himself. However, the court disagreed, ruling that the post breached its directive and amounted to contempt. In a major counter-terrorism breakthrough, Nigerian army troops under Operation Hadin-Kai have uncovered a cache of improvised explosive devices, IEDs, planted beneath the bridge linking Mater and Dikwa in Borno State. The explosives were reportedly placed there by suspected Boko Haram and ISWAP insurgents. According to a statement posted Friday on the Nigerian Army's official Facebook page, the recovery was made by explosive ordnance disposal EOD units deployed from forward operating bases in Marte and Dikwa. The Army confirmed that 56 fully assembled IEDs were successfully recovered and rendered safe, while operations continue to neutralize other hidden explosives in the area to ensure complete safety and clearance. Groups from the Northeast geopolitical zone have renewed calls for the creation of 4 additional states: Savannah from Borno, Amana from Adamawa, Katagum from Bauchi, and Muri from Taraba State. The demand was presented during the opening session of a 2-day zonal public hearing on the review of the 1999 Constitution held in Maiduguri, Borno State. In a statement, Ahmed, Director of Media and Publicity for the Amana State Movement, said the requests are aimed at correcting what he termed historical injustices suffered by certain communities, particularly the people of Oba Chiefdom and parts of Adamawa State. The calls were part of broader citizens' input into the constitutional amendment process currently being undertaken by the National Assembly. The Federal Capital Territory Police Command has arrested 82 suspects linked to various crimes between May and June 2025. This was disclosed by FCT Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ajao Adewale, during a press briefing on Friday in Abuja. A total of 49 cases were reported during the review period, including 7 incidents of kidnapping, with 17 suspects arrested and 3 killed during operations. The police also foiled 5 attempted kidnappings across locations, including Apowaru, Karshi, Kawobwari, and Giden Dogo Forest. 3 suspects were arrested and 3 others neutralized during an attempted kidnapping at Kawo Village Clinic in Bwari Area Council. In addition, 17 individuals were apprehended in connection with 5 armed robbery cases, with several illegal firearms recovered during the crackdown. The Labour Party vice presidential candidate in the 2023 elections, Dr. Dati Baba Ahmed, has weighed in on the formation of the African Democratic Congress ADC coalition, drawing parallels to the 2015 alliance that birthed the All Progressives Congress APC. Speaking during an interview on Arise Television's Prime Time on Thursday, Baba Ahmed noted that the ADC coalition mirrors the strategic measure that enabled President Bola Tinubu and others to consolidate political strength ahead of the 2015 elections. However, he pointed out a key distinction: while the APC alliance rallied behind Muhammadu Buhari as a consensus presidential candidate long before the primaries, the ADC coalition has yet to produce a clearly defined standard bearer, raising questions about its cohesion and long-term viability. And that's our top 5 stories on TV Platinum. I am God's gift, Julius. Do well to follow us on all our social media handles. Have a wonderful day ahead.